All right, hello, good morning, good evening, and good night. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. In today's video, what we're going to do is I'm going to take you through a new purchase. I just purchased some more KLIP, and what I want to do is I want to show you the average share price that I bought it at. What we're going to do is we're going to take my dividends that I reinvested, calculate that up, and see how much that purchased me in my total shares. I'm going to go through my average price, and I also want to show you just a little side note, maybe we might get into it, MPW, not too much, just kind of a quick update on how that situation's going. But I hope you guys stick around to the end of this video. You can do so if you'd like. I just want to say we're up to 1,322 subscribers, up over 20 subscribers in the past like 10 hours, which is crazy. 1,000 even in the last 28 days. So congratulations to you guys, absolutely killing it. Once again, always killing it. But in today's video, what we're doing is we're going to talk about KLIP. Now, I talk about KLIP a lot on my channel. You guys probably know what it is. But for those of you who don't know, KLIP is the Kraneshares China Internet Covered Call Strategy ETF under the tickle symbol, yes, the tickle symbol, KLIP, which seeks to provide the current income by following a covered call or buy right strategy, meaning that they write covered calls and they collect premiums on those covered calls. Now, KLIP buys shares of the Kraneshares CSI China Internet ETF, which is KWEB, which I have up here, and they write or sell corresponding call options on KWEB. And so basically, when KWEB appreciates in value, so does KLIP. And KLIP writes call options on KWEB. They don't fully track the price action of KWEB. As you can see, like KWEB's up 4% and KLIP's only up 1% currently, but KLIP does pay close to a 50% dividend, just over a 50% dividend, and so it is totally understandable that it doesn't exactly track it. As you can see, 51% right here, and it pays monthly. Now, before I had 55 shares of KLIP. Today I have 77 shares of KLIP at an average share price of $19.37. So today I actually purchased 22 shares of KLIP at an average share price here of $19.46 for a total of $435 American. But the thing is here, I used a lot of dividends, and as you could see right here, this was only dividends over the past 10 days from July 13th to July 24th, which is today. And just adding them up here, we have $23 in dividends. And obviously, you got to subtract the tax too, but I'm going to give you a rough estimate here. So $23. Then we got roughly $24. Then we jump big, 24 to 27 and $57, $58 roughly. And then, so we got roughly about $60, but then we exclude the tax and it came out to $54.07. Let's see if this calculator doesn't want to respond here. Let me reload this page. But yeah, so in total, all of these dividends paid us $54.07. Now, when we take that and divide it by the share price of KLIP, which was 49.64, this paid for 2.77 shares of KLIP. Now, if KLIP pays a dividend, I'm pretty sure their last dividend was about 86. It was 83 cents. Yes, I know my KLIP dividends off by heart. Look at this. 84 cents. Okay, we're calling it 84 cents. So you do that times 0.84. That means our dividends from only half of the month of July just gave us $2.33. And KLIP is going to be our biggest dividend. As I'm going to show you my payout calendar, I'll now be receiving roughly about $130 every single month. And KLIP is going to pay me $6 or $64.29, assuming their dividend stays the same. Now, speaking about KLIP's dividend, what do I think about their dividend? We just got to look at their past month and also KWEB, because that's the underlying asset that it tracks. I think KLIP might honestly pay a dividend very similar to the one that we saw in the previous month, which was about 83 cents. Going off of my logic, what I'm doing is I'm basically looking at where the month started. So, for example, the last month was June. It started about here, and it finished about the 29th, which, as you can see, there was very little price movement. It went up very, very slightly, and that paid an 83-cent dividend. Now we're looking from the start of July, which is roughly 27.57, and we're looking to the end. Now today there was a big run-up, And depending upon what the price ends at for KWEB at the end of the month on like the 29th or the 30th, that will depend on what KLIP will pay as its dividend. I honestly think it actually might be slightly higher, maybe close to that 90-cent mark. And so this number may actually increase, as I do see a little bit more volatility and price appreciation in the July month. So that's just a little dividend update for KLIP and how I purchased 22 more shares, which is bringing up my total monthly income. And yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you guys like these videos where I share with you how much I'm reinvesting in my dividends and what I received on my dividends. As you can see, a bunch of different companies: MPW, ADC, Tesla, Stag, EPR. But one in particular, MPW, was a stock that I was down on for a very long time. I have an average share price here, if I could show you super quickly, of $10.55. And MPW, a long time ago in a video, maybe about like 3 weeks ago, I called a little bull run when MPW was at $9 even, and it is now at $10.55. So as you know, I predicted the stock market, which is so easy to do. No, I'm just playing. All I looked at was some indicators, and basically when the MACD crossed over right here and went towards the bullish side, I somewhat placed an uptrend on MPW, and it's played out so far, going back to this $10.44 level. But the thing is, I feel like that bull run might be coming to a close, just because there might be some resistance here at this $10.55 level where I actually purchased it at. But that's just a little update on MPW. I'm very happy with my new purchase of KLIP. They should go ex-dividend very soon, because they do go ex-dividend at the end of the month. If I can go and see any of their previous distributions, you'll see that their ex-dividend dates are the 24, 27, 29, 26. So all about this 24-day level in the month. So that's why I wanted to buy it before. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, a little portfolio update on KLIP and my new purchase. I hope you guys got a little insight onto what their next dividend might be and what they might pay for this upcoming month. Leave a comment if you are actually invested in KLIP. I'd love to see how many shares you guys have. If you have any, please do subscribe. If you haven't yet done so, we're a growing page on YouTube, so please do that. I hope you guys take care, and I will see you guys in the next video.